Hello everyone. Over my time as a sanitation worker, I have seen numerous severe injuries in the workplace due to lack of safety. For the past 3 years, I have worked with a team of certified and experienced sanitation experts at North Georgia's most efficient poultry packing plant. So, all sanitation workers should correctly understand proper safety procedures in order to prevent serious injury to you or your coworkers. Today, I will be speaking on the importance of safety and sanitation at a poultry plant. In order to get more acquainted with the proper safety procedures, today we will discuss the proper clothing needed, the right spatial awareness, and the proper tools to bring to your sanitation job in order to succeed and be safe. Step one would be bringing proper clothing, and this is the most important topic, which is why we'll talk about it first. The main thing you want to do is cover all your exposed areas. That'd be your hands, your arms, your chest, your legs, your feet, and your toes. And then not to forget, but most important, your face. Now, the reason for this is you'll be dealing with many harmful chemicals such as acid and bleach. So it's very important that you don't get them on your skin, in your eyes, or on your hands. The second thing you want to worry about and be cognizant of is hair. So it's important and required that you wear a hat, a hairnet, or face coverings that cover your hair as well in order to prevent hair from getting in the machine and thus into the chicken. Now, lastly but not least important is to wear proper boots that cover your toes and that have protection of the elements like acid and bleach that could get onto your feet and cause irritation or burns. Also, you want to prevent falling machinery and heavy equipment from hurting your feet, which is why you will want to wear steel-toed rubber boots. So now that we have gone over the proper clothing out of the way, let's touch on some of the proper steps in spatial awareness. So, being aware of what is happening around you is key to keeping you and your coworkers safe. Now, the most important thing which I see that is the most frequently done incorrectly is watching where you spray before you spray. Now, no one wants to get hit in the face with water, but most importantly, it is dangerous to spray someone because you can scare them and cause any number of injuries depending on what the person is doing at the time. So, other than that, you want to constantly check around you and see what is going on with your workers and the people around you, just doing whatever they're doing so you don't get sprayed or you don't spray somebody else, and also so you don't harm them with your equipment that you could be using. Other than that, you want to maintain audio between your coworkers so that you all know where you're at all times. One of the steps I use to most properly maintain safety using audio is every time I move, I will just hoot or holler so that they know where I'm at or where I was last at. Now, since we're aware of your operational safety and spatial awareness, and we've also gone over some of the clothing, let's look at one of the last aspects into successfully performing safety in the sanitation job. Now, each machine has specific tools that you will need to succeed in the workplace. But all the machines have two of the same tools that everyone will use all the time. These are your wrench and your screwdriver. You should buy these on your own. And you should also bring them to work every day because you don't know what machine you'll be using, but you know that you will need those no matter what. The next thing you want to do is clean your tools carefully every day. Now, wear and tear is great on your tools, even though they are made with expensive and nice materials. They will still wear down fast if you do not do your careful cleaning on them. Now, the last thing is you want to share your tools with your team. It's very common for someone to forget something they bring, lose it, or just be without, and it is important for team building and maximum efficiency of cleaning all the machines in the area for everyone to be willing to provide their own tools to help to get the job done for everybody. Now that we have covered the three most basic and most important aspects of safety and efficiency in the sanitation job, you should all be able to execute your job very well and have no problems going forward. But most importantly, you should all know the best ways to prevent injury in the workplace in order to get out the best efficiency. Now, you all know what clothing you need, what spatial awareness you have to have, and what tools you need to bring. So, I hope that you will all be able to prevent many of the serious injuries that I spoke about earlier that I have seen countless times, and only you can do so by following the steps I have given you today. Now, good luck, and I hope you have a good future in the rest of your sanitation future.